guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we are magically in LA. We got here this morning. Me and Josh are gonna be going to Disneyland, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to bring you guys along and do a mini vlog for you guys. I put all my hair accessories in because guys, I love accessories. They're literally my favorite. I'm wearing my Tokyo Disney Sea accessories that I got when I was in Japan. I think we might see some K-pop stars because our hotel is right next to the Staples Center, which is where Kcon's happening. So I really want to see Kepler in real life. Like, I think they might be at our hotel. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. Fingers crossed. Let's hope we see Dion or Hikaru. The train, look at the train. Nice. Scout. I wasn't allowed to look at them, but I did. Their trash cans are even cute. All right, guys, we've made it in. We're getting a corn dog. I'm getting literally probably 5, but it looks like it's mobile order. What is that? Look at this over here. They're so cute. What did you just say?
The corn dog gods have blessed us today.
Show me the evidence.
We got 2 corn dogs, and then they handed me a bag with another corn dog.
Oh my god. This is Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives Josh edition. Look at this corn dog.
All the stickers.
Oh my god, it looks so good. We're gonna get the chicken at the plaza, and me and Josh are gonna split it because it's $18 and it looks splittable. 3 pieces of chicken, some green beans, and mashed potatoes and gravy. Get it. Get it. Oh, that was a good one. Guys, I got a pickle. From the pickle's point of view, where is Grogu?
Thanks for the help.
Look at that. It's like I'm actually in Star Wars. The detail. All right, guys, we made it to Star Wars land. Now we are gonna go get some blue milk over here. Look at this little ball. Here's the menu. Look, they got all the milks up there. We know it's down under there.
Get them and bring them here.
Look at this area to fill up your water bottle. Wow. Look at this area though. So cute. Looks so cool. Where's Chewie? Alright guys, so we got some ears. We got them in the Frontierland by Winnie the Pooh Land, and I really like them because they match all my stuff from Tokyo Disney Sea, which is awesome. And we are pretty much almost done with Disney. We are approaching the amazing castle right here. It looks so beautiful. Look at it in all its glory. Okay guys, I just wanted to end out this vlog by showing you guys quickly what I got today. So I didn't get that much, but I did get some things from Disney. I got some cute ears that matched my outfit really well. I also got a bunch of pins because I guess I like pins. This Halloween light up necklace for Halloween because I love Halloween. It's my favorite. And then I got this raccoon hat because it's so cute. I love it. It's like Peter Pan Lost Boys. But that is my haul for today. All right guys, we're at this hotel. Josh is wearing his jellyfish shirt for swimming. Look at this. What is that? That's it guys. I'm gonna go in the hot tub and enjoy our night. Say bye, Josh.
Bye.